Welcome back to today's video. I'm going to go over the easiest niches to start in 2023 for your SMMA to start getting more clients, understanding the current economic downturn and what clients to go for, and why you should be going for those niches. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you want to get your first client in the next 30 days, check out the first link in the description. People are going crazy for it, so go check it out at the end of the video or now. So the number one niche is going to be e-com stores. People right now, with the current state in the economy, they're building a lot of Shopify stores. People are just building Shopify stores like it's nothing. Now, are these the best retention clients? No. But it is low-hanging fruit for you and your agency to get experience, get that ad spend underneath your belt, see what type of narrow niches within e-com are working, and they're easier clients to get because it's not that they're desperate, it's that they just don't know what the fuck they're doing, and you need to be that bridge for them. E-com stores are all over the place, clothing boutiques, drop shipping, all these stores that are coming up out of nowhere because people are now looking for biz op opportunities. When the recession hits, and while it's currently going on, people go to biz op more than any other niche. So they're not, I hate to say the word desperate, but there's so many fucking e-com stores where you can easily get them as a client. That's low-hanging fruit. Number two are home services. Anything that is local home services is a huge niche because it's high ticket, it's local, it's an easy offer to push for people. You can run Facebook lead forms, TikTok lead forms, Facebook ads, Instagram. You can also run Google search targeted ads, Google My Business ads, to the point where it's very hard for you not to get a client results. If you guys can't get a home service business leads, to be honest with you, you suck. But if you want to know more strategies, you can check out the first link in the description. I go over all that stuff inside my course. But the other thing about home services is that local business owners are way more patient. They're better business owners. They understand the value of investing in themselves. They understand patience. And if they're family oriented and family owned, they're not as much as an asshole. There's a lot of business owners out there, unfortunately, that are just very picky, very needy. They want shit done immediately. Local service businesses understand the value of time. They're nicer people. I hate to say it, but they are. Number three is going to be coaches, okay? Being able to drive traffic to a coach's VSL or webinar page is going to be another good niche for you, because if you can drive traffic to a landing page with a webinar opt-in, a simple webinar opt-in, you're going to get leads, and then they go to the book and call page with the video or the webinar. It's very easy to get coaches, consultants, service providers, a bunch of book calls and leads. That's a very good niche for you to be going after right now. Number four is going to be either roofing or solar. Yes, interest rates have hiked, but people always need to save money on the electric bill. People always need to have a new roof, okay? This is just the way it is. That is a very good niche to go after, because if you just get them one lead that closes, it pays for the retainer and everything else in just one sale. So you have 30 days to get a lead that closes. And now in solar, it does take longer for the lead to close and for cash to be collected, but you're still valuable to the business owner. And if you're running ads every single day for 30 days, you should be able to get 2 leads a day. So out of 60 leads, one fucker's gotta buy. That's why it's easier for solar or roofing to bring you a higher ROI inside of your agency. Okay. Number four is probably gonna be beauty. And what I mean by beauty is beauty e-com stores, med spas, massage parlors, stuff like that. Those, while the economy is decreasing, people are more fucking stressed, which means that they need something to get less stressed. So what is that? That is, getting a massage, going to a med spa, getting taken care of yourself, getting a facial, getting all these things for women and men. They're going to get these stress relieving activities, and they're going to put money towards it because they're fucking stressed. And if you are an agency owner, you can easily get these people leads by bringing up emotional and psychological triggers like that. And number five is going to be courses, for sure. Anybody who sells a course, that's a very good niche to go after, because like I said, biz op gets really hot during economic downturns. So clients who are selling a course that's more biz op-y, or here's how to do this and make 4 to 5K a month, here's how to do this and make a 10K a month, here's how to get an automated e-com store. Those are niches that are gonna blow up during this recession, because biz op always crushes during a recession. So those are the 5 best niches right now to be going after. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, comment, subscribe, and check out the first link in the description if you want to get your first client in 30 days or your money back. But appreciate you guys checking out the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.